Learn how to sign up to T-Launcher in just 2 minutes by using the PC, or you can use your mobile phone. So just type T-Launcher and hit enter in the Google. Now please make sure that you only visit tlauncher.org website from your mobile phone or from your PC. Once you click on that link, you will get two options: T-Launcher for Minecraft, this will be for the PC, and T-Launcher for smartphone. So from here at the top right corner, you will see the sign up, and I will click on that. Now registration will only take a minute. To do so, here you just need to type the login, so you can mention anything like this, just like this, and enter the email address like this, and enter the password. So I have entered the password, and then you just need to click on I'm not robot, and you just need to click on sign up, and you can see that I have successfully signed up. And here we have this logged in, and I can see my balance is 0. And from here you can select, you can upload your skin or cap, and once it is done, you can, if you want to use it on your PC, then select this T-Launcher, the launcher for Minecraft. Or if you're using an Android phone, then you can download the smartphone PE. So I'll click on this T-Launcher, and I need to download this, and then I can start using T-Launcher by just downloading it, and I can install it. And once you install it, it will look like this, and you can enter the game and you can enjoy. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.